Now that you know what the requirements of the proposed app project are, you can think about it from a more technical perspective. Building an application from scratch can be quite difficult and time-consuming. However, developers have a wide range of templates available that can make this process easier in Android Studio. With these templates, you can quickly set up your video app project while you focus on implementing the main features. And the main features are that users can select, play, and pause a video. One popular use of templates is to add new activities to an existing app project. In this case, the basic activity template will be useful when you create your main activity screen where users can interact with the video player. The basic activity template allows you to create a base code for your video app that includes commonly used user interface or UI components you may need for the project. This will form a base project to which you can add more code to perform specific actions based on the project requirements. Let's review what else you know about the project. So far, you know that the app will be lightweight because you don't have to worry about images, music, or streaming video to the app. You know that you require play and stop buttons for the video, and you can create these using a clickable button. And you know that you'll need to select a video from the phone library, so you need an additional button in your app. Because you don't require streaming, you can use Android's VideoView component as it allows you to just display a video file. And with only a few changes to the default build pattern, you can incorporate all the elements needed for your app. Now you can start to think about the next step, which is starting the project.